Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at some of the most notable train accidents ever caught on camera, from major collisions to incredible near misses. These moments, let's get started. A driver collided with a speeding train after jumping a barrier and trying to speed to the other side of the tracks in Miami, Florida. The van hit the barrier trying to cross the railway but got stuck just as the train was coming.
Paramount.
The Utah Transit Authority has released footage from a crash involving one of its front-runner trains last week. The guy sacrificed himself to save the old man from the dangerous railway in a spectacular way. He is truly a brave man. CCTV footage has captured the moment a man in the Czech Republic narrowly escaped death after being hit by a speeding train. Heroes don't have capes. The man risked his life to save a dog from being crushed under a train. What a brave act. Stuck on the tracks, VinFast VFE34 was thrown forward by a train. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. The moment a pickup truck deliberately crossed the railway and was hit by a train, this is the punishment for drivers who show stubbornness. Horrific disaster. The moment a French high-speed TGV train crashed into a tractor trailer stuck on the tracks, crushing everything in an instant, while a farmer stood by helplessly in despair and utter horror. The driver of a car pulling a trailer lost control at a railway crossing and was hit by a train, but fortunately no one was injured in the incident.
Oh my God!
Hang up. Take a picture, dude. Take a picture. Yeah.
Train and truck collide in South Carolina. Police have released video footage of the moment a passenger train collided with a truck at a level crossing in the Olamobe area of Belle-Elise on Tuesday morning. It burst into flames immediately after the collision. Train derails in Verdigris, Oklahoma, March 2023. Fortunately, no one was injured. A train collided with a double-decker bus carrying Thai tourists at an unguarded railway crossing in central Thailand. About 30 passengers were injured. This is the shocking moment a driver fled his car just seconds before a freight train crashed into it and destroyed it after it stalled on the tracks. A train crashed into a tractor-trailer that was stopped on the tracks in Erie, Pennsylvania on Monday, December 2, 2024. The truck driver had a narrow escape and no injuries were reported. Video of a dump truck carrying construction waste materials getting stuck on the railway. Just seconds later, a freight train crashed straight into the dump truck. Be extra vigilant when it comes to trains and their crossings. We assume that the lights will warn us of approaching trains. In this case, they are not. A car stuck on the tracks for over an hour was crushed by a train. Fortunately, the driver was pulled out of the car in time. trying to cross the railway but having an accident halfway. The truck was almost run over by the train. A railway worker jumped in front of an oncoming train to save a cyclist who was standing carelessly on the tracks. A trailer was hit by a train trying to pass on Gustavo Diaz Ordaz Avenue.
Vergas!
Train collides with truck, but luckily no one was injured.
¡Ah! Se atravesó el hijo de su pinche. ¡Ay! ¡Ah! ¡Se lo va a llevar! ¡Se lo llevó! ¡Se lo llevó! Se llevó el tren, el trailer aquí, Mario.
A driver captured the moment a train derailed and crashed into Verdigris, Oklahoma.
Yep, that just happened.
A speeding train collided with a bulldozer that was stuck on the tracks. No one was injured. A man has become a hero in Argentina after he pushed a car stuck on the tracks of an oncoming train. If a serious railway accident occurs, who will be responsible in this case? Train crashes into candy truck after truck hits bottom of tracks and gets stuck. Passengers sit on the roof of a train car after an Amtrak train hit a dump truck and derailed in Mendon, Missouri.
Someone was crossing tracks. Yeah.
right here on the tracks. Boom!
Heart-stopping moment when an old man suddenly tripped while crossing the railway. Luckily, someone came to the rescue. The moment a couple on a motorbike almost had an accident because they intended to cross the railway when a train was approaching. The incident happened this Wednesday afternoon near Quilmes. The truck driver suffered minor injuries. The other driver was unhurt.
आवाज जरा अरे अंकल मैं बोल रहा हूँ अरे अंकल मैं बोल रहा हूँ ओ भाई जब
A Class 46 diesel locomotive, weighing 140 tons and pulling 3 carriages, crashed into a tank wagon at a speed of about 160 km/h. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you and see you in the next video.